Yeah, you already know what the fuck going on. Oh my gosh, it's a catfish. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, hi, hello. If you're not new, what's goody, what's rapping? Hold on. So as I said, and as I posted on my Instagram and my wallet good stuff, I'm filming we do not need copyright. I'm about to film a workout with me, ab routine, which is gonna be real weird, because I don't never film in the gym, but I tried to go as late as possible so it's not that many people in here. But we're going to go try and film this video. I really don't care about people looking at me. People look at me all the time. I'm weird, I'm goofy, okay? But I'm gonna be doing some workouts. They're all ab related. This is gonna be the only talk portion. Everything else is gonna be a voiceover, just because I can't talk and work out. That's weird. But a lot of people have asked how I got rid of my pudge so fast and how I got my stomach back toned so quickly. So these are all the answers for that. Basically, I just been grinding and hustling and putting in work. Basically, that's what's been happening. I go to the gym. I'm trying to give y'all all the details before we just hop into the video. I go to the gym roughly 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 times a week. And then I'll give my body 2 days to rest. About it. Just let me know what other workout videos y'all would like to see. I know that half of the votes were for leg day and glutes. I can do another video like that too in the future. Just let me know what y'all want to see. But of course, we need necessities. So I got my Beats. I have my Gatorade. I also have water in my Sweet Sweat bag. Oh my god. And then of course we got the phone, you know, Shin, with the playlist on it. I will put my workout playlist in the description box. I didn't make it, somebody else made it for me. Well, I found it, somebody else made it on Apple Music. So I'll put that link in the description box, you know, Shin. But yeah, let's get it. Let's get this grinding. But yeah, so I'll see y'all in here, and yeah, it's been real. Bye. So I start my gym workout sessions by trying to find the right playlist to play, and then I start to exercise. So a little 1-2. I'm not really big on exaggerating videos, so I really wanted to keep it short and simple. So this is what I've come up with. So you're just stretching, getting your muscles right, prepare for the workout that we're about to do. I finally found a playlist, and yeah, so let's get it. So again, just stretching, getting your muscles right, making sure that you're good. This is ab day, so you really don't have to work out or stretch too much, but I do recommend at least stretching just a little bit to get your body warmed up and welcome. And then we're about to jump into the first workout. So the first workout is leg lifts in a sense. So I just put my hands under my butt and I just raise my legs as far as they can go to my head. I do this in reps of 3, and I do 15. So 15 reps, 3 sets. And I just do it until I can't do anymore. You want to make sure that your stomach is tight and that you feel it, which is why you'll see me struggling once I get back up. The next exercise, I'm not really sure what this is called. I got it from I Am Fitness on IG. I think I'll link his @name in the description box, but you're really just targeting your abs. This hurts, like truly it hurts. But again, 3 sets of 15 as well. Doing this, your girl was tired. Okay, next, on my ab workout, I do what do you call this? Sit-ups. There we go. With a 10-pound weight is what's in my hand. And you do 3 sets of 15 for this as well. I'm just adding a nice little video effect for you all. But yeah, I think this is a total of like 6 workouts after it's all said and done. But this is what I do to get the abs, and this is what I do to tone. This is a pulley, but I'm not really sure which one it's called. What you're doing is you're taking it and you're pulling it toward, you're twisting your abs basically. So this gets rid of the baby fat. This gets rid of those unwanted fats on the side, because it's really just targeting the side of your stomach. So you're just twisting but staying still in a firm position, and trust me, you will feel it. Next I can't remember. I'm on a machine. I think it's the last one. Yeah, the next one is the machine, and I'm just doing 3 sets of 15 of this as well. Now with this, you want to just do everything yourself, of course. I didn't incorporate all of the ab workouts I do just because I kept it simple. It's kind of like beginner friendly, so I kept it short and sweet, real quick, just so y'all could see what I do. And then I'm going to reveal my results after I take my waist trainer off, because a lot of people like watching this. So yeah, just taking my waist trainer off and enjoying my life. And yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna add some music and then put a snippet of me on the massage chair. But basically, I didn't want to continue to show y'all repetitive routines. Like, I just did everything a set of once because everything is common sense. Also, I tend to walk the treadmill and the Stairmaster, but I didn't incorporate that into my routine. I simply just assumed that it was common sense. So I do the Stairmaster for 10 to 15 minutes, and I do the treadmill for 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, whichever one I choose that day. But all right, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.